So if you do not want to use or to buy the keyboard case for your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, you can still have a proper desktop setup like this one. So a couple of things you need is either a Bluetooth or wireless keyboard and mouse. Now, if you have Bluetooth, you can connect them separately. If you have a wireless keyboard and mouse combo, you can just plug the receiver into the Type-C port and use that. But I think using Bluetooth is much, much better. So a Bluetooth mouse and a Bluetooth keyboard, and connecting those will keep the Type-C port free for other accessories. Now, you also can get yourself a stand like this. This is a very, very inexpensive little metallic stand that you can just place the tablet and use. Okay. Now, this is the Apple Magic Keyboard, which you can quickly tuck away into your backpack together with the mouse. And also, if you want to pack this tablet, you can just take it away, and then you can fold this stand completely. So this stand is actually completely foldable, and you can also throw this in your backpack. And you go and sit somewhere, take it out, set it up, and you're ready to work without the expensive uh, Samsung keyboard case. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope that was useful. I'm gonna link everything in this video down in the description so you can check them out. And good luck.